Hello everyone, this is a brief introduction for how to use the LL Vision infrared smart glasses and its offline application to do the temperature measurement. Basically, you need these three things. The first is IR smart glasses, and the second is a cell phone which installs the offline application. And then the third is a power bank. We get a cargo, the smart glasses maybe together with a goggle or with a helmet. And then there is a two cable connected to the smart glasses. And first, with the Type-C port, you connect it with a cell phone. You can connect it with a power bank. Then it will let you to choose application. If there's only one, that's okay. And as I have installed many applications, so I just choose the offline application. And then after it, all the equipment has been connected, and then you can do the temperature measurement. After you have finished connecting all the devices correctly, and when you want to use it in an environment like outdoors or indoors with different temperature, it is better to put the devices in that environment for 5 minutes in order for the IR module to work properly. After put the devices in the environment for 5 minutes, you can start the temperature measurement. When I point the devices at myself, you can see that my temperature is measured immediately. And you can double click on the IR button to show the mirror screen. And you will see what is displayed on the smart glasses. Okay, you can see that my forehead temperature is measured accurately and efficiently. And the temperature will be broadcasted to you. If you can hear it clearly, it will broadcast to you. So that means the user, the wearer, do not need to pay attention actually to know the temperature, because it will be broadcasted to you. Here you can get the temperature measurement setting. You can choose to a single phase temperature measurement or multi-phase measurement. And you can also change the temperature unit setting. And all the temperature will be broadcasted to you. So it is very convenient for the wearer to know the temperature without noticing looking into the screen on the smart glasses. So this is a brief operation introduction for you. Any questions, just let us know.